It's now time to bring you closing details of trading activities at the Nigerian Stock Exchange. And joining me live is market editor Effiong Ekap to give us more insight into the activities of today's trade.
My brother, market again dipped into the negative territory. We had it yesterday, starting the week, and I was just observing today again in the negative territory. It's coming on the back of the huge gains of more than 6% that we had in the market throughout last week, when markets, traded positive Monday through Friday. Okay. And that activity, that action of the market was able to lift up prices in key sectors, and that also brought value into some of the securities. And so those who are in dire need of cash, they move in to take profit on their investment since yesterday, and that's what also continues today. Because, the market is not static. It moves up, and then it steadies, gets down. And as we had that incidence of huge growth last week, the benchmark of, gains that came up here now encourages the foreign investors, talking about fund managers and ordinary investors, to just take profits out of it. They could have just allowed it, but there is serious pressure in the economy. You understand? Yeah. We are moving towards Christmas now, and the tendency is for people to want to hold, money to, spend. That is what is affecting the market. And you find that today, the big cap securities are the one falling. They are also affected. Look at Nigerian Breweries.
Yes, Royal Exchange.
Nigerian Breweries down by almost 8% out of the price. And then you have GT Holdings. You have Zenith Bank, big companies, not to talk about others. NGX, Stanbic, they are all there. And that's the nature of the market, because there is serious economic pressure, and the market is not static. In fact, it's jittery as at now. So we cannot say definitely that we've seen the market and we can predict the direction where it goes. The only thing that there is hope that we may close the year in a positive way, in the sense that you find that the banks have to end their activities as an industry in the month of December. That's the CBN order. And so there is the struggle for all of them to, beef up activities and then stay in the positive trade. And when I was also checking the trading pattern before I came in here, I found that top trades, in the markets today, they were major banks. We had GT, we had Zenith, we had Fidelity, FCMB, so
Chase Bank,
completely. And normally, the banking sector attracts, easy invest, because you are easy to get in and you can also get out. And so the major problem of the market is the economy. The market itself is not having any problems, but because the economic indices of inflation, exchange rate problem, poor infrastructure that you have just talked about, they all have negative effects on investment. All right. And so investors need to be very, very cautious while playing the market.
Market editor Effiong Ekap, thank you very much for analyzing the market for us.
It is a pleasure.